Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing a super useful trick, how to mirror your iPhone screen to your Mac. Whether you want to show off photos and videos, present a slideshow, play a game on a bigger screen, or even record a tutorial, mirroring is the way to go. In this video, I'll show you a couple of easy methods to do this. We'll cover both the built-in AirPlay feature and some handy third-party apps. Don't worry, they are all super simple and no tech skill required. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more awesome iPhone and Mac tips. We are here to make your tech life easier. Okay, let's get started. Option 1. Using AirPlay. Alright, so the easiest method, and usually the preferred one, is using AirPlay. This is built right into your iPhone and Mac OS, so you don't need to download anything extra. Step 1. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for AirPlay to work correctly. Step 2. Open Control Center on your iPhone. On iPhone 10 and later, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. On iPhone 8 and earlier, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Tap the screen mirroring icon. It looks like two overlapping rectangles. Step 4. Select your Mac from the list of available devices. Your Mac's name will appear, for example, John's MacBook Pro. Step 5. Enter the AirPlay code if prompted. Sometimes, your Mac will show a code on the screen. Just enter that code on your iPhone. This is for security, to make sure you're only connecting to your own Mac. And that's it. Your iPhone screen should now be mirrored on your Mac. You can now browse your photos, play games, or do anything else you want, and it will all be displayed on the bigger screen. Talking points while showing screen mirroring on screen. As you can see, everything I do on my iPhone is immediately reflected on my Mac. The quality is usually pretty good, and the latency is low, so it's great for most purposes. Option 2. Using QuickTime Player. If AirPlay isn't working for some reason, or if you want more control over recording the screen, you can use QuickTime Player, which comes pre-installed on your Mac. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your Mac using a Lightning to USB cable. Step 2. Open QuickTime Player on your Mac. You can find it in your Applications folder. Step 3. Go to File, New Movie Recording. Step 4. Next to the record button, click the small arrow. Step 5. Under Camera and Microphone, select your iPhone. Your iPhone's name will appear in the list. And there you go. Your iPhone screen will now appear in the QuickTime Player window. You can use this to simply view your screen, or you can even hit the record button to record your iPhone screen, which is great for creating tutorials or capturing gameplay. Talking points while showing QuickTime Player mirroring on screen. QuickTime Player gives you a more stable connection since it's using a cable, and it's also a great way to record your screen directly. Option 3. Third-party apps. Mention briefly optional. There are also some third-party apps available for screen mirroring, such as Reflector, AirServer, or Let's View. These apps can offer more advanced features, like mirroring to multiple devices at once, or customizing the mirroring settings. However, for most people, AirPlay or QuickTime Player will be more than enough. If you are interested in exploring these, I'll link some useful resources in the description below this video.
Conclusion.
So that's it. You now know how to mirror your iPhone screen to your Mac using AirPlay and QuickTime Player. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Which method do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have any other tips or tricks, share them with the community. Thanks for watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips and tricks. See you in the next video.